ONEPLUS 12 is coming with the best-in-class BOEX1 display and Qualcomm's latest 8th Gen 3 chipset, which is way powerful. And by powerful, I mean 30% faster CPU than the 8th Gen 2, 25% faster GPU, and 98% fast hexagon NPU. They say it is 10 to 20% power efficient and doesn't weigh much. Here's the latest poster coming in from OnePlus China confirming new Sony LYTIA sensor in the OnePlus 12. The Sony LYTIA is a dual-layer stacked sensor which is gonna capture more light, so will shoot fantastic images in no less light. And here are some camera samples shared by OnePlus China, and again confirms 3x zoom periscope shooter which can go 6x lossless and 120x max, similar to what we have in the OnePlus Sony's image sensor for mobile. LYTIA is a moonshot I captured using the OnePlus Open and can be seen. The 6x zoom is just great, so I'm sure the OnePlus 12 is gonna shoot fantastic images. And the most exciting thing about this device is that 5400 mAh battery plus 150 or 100 watts of fast charging, that too with power brick in the box. Now this BOEX1 panel got 2K resolution, is paired with Oppo P1 display chip and got brightness higher than 2600 nit switches, like really bright, is power efficient, and the color sharpness are better than the S23 Ultra as seen in these images coming in from China. For those who doesn't want to spend that much and want an affordable flagship from OnePlus, can wait for the OnePlus 12 are launching at around same time, that with amazing specifications like a massive battery, 8 Gen 2 silicon and whatnot. Some news coming in: the OnePlus Watch 2 is in the works and is coming to India and Europe really soon. So in China, the OnePlus 12 launch may happen this month only, or maybe in December I guess, and in global markets you may see this launch happening in January or fast. So your thoughts in the comment section below.